Hello world! Welcome back to another HackerRank challenge video. I know it's been a minute since we've done one of these, but due to popular demand, I've decided to bring it back. So let's get into it. In this video, we're going to be doing string split and join. Let's get started. Alright, so our task is that we are given a string and split the string on a space delimiter and join using a hyphen. Now they kind of tell you how to do it here and here, right? So it should be pretty straightforward. We can always just look at the examples they gave us and see if we're doing our code right. But the difference here is we've got an actual function in the sample code they gave us, right? Or the starting code that they gave us. And it's a split and join function. So what they do is they pre-give us the line that they pre-give us the input, right? And they want us to basically return the result of splitting and joining the line together, right? So pretty straightforward. We're just going to, well, it doesn't look like there's any constraints this time, so we'll just dive right into the actual solving part of it, right? So we got to split first. And we know that that's going to, our variable that they pass into this function is line, right? So let's do, we can actually I think we can do this all in one line. Yeah. So we'll write our return statement, right? And then we'll do our split first. We'll do line.split. And we don't actually need the space delimiter in there because it splits by white space by default. So it'll split by the space by default. So now we also need to join that together by a hyphen, right? So what are we gonna do there? Well, we can just do our, we can just do our hyphen dot join, and then we can just put our line dot split as the parameter we're passing into the dot join function, right? And now that should give us this hyphenated string or whatever they're passing in, right? So let's go ahead and run it. And it passed. Awesome. So let's go ahead and submit the code, make sure we get all the test cases. There's only 2, and that's it for this challenge. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, show your support, leave any feedback in the comment section down below, and check out our Discord and Patreon links in the description box down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.